Hey there guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel.
Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing.
Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, mama.
So I hope you guys are doing great, and the ones who don't know me, hi, my name is Muskan Khan. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, it's going to be a haul video cause I realized that I've never posted a haul video ever in my channel. So I thought that why not? वैसे I did order some products from the Purple app. Okay, disclaimer. It is not at all a sponsored video guys. जितना भी कुछ खरीदा गया है, it's all of my खून पसीने के पैसे से. Okay, yeah. So it's just कि haul video है तो I guess that's pretty much it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna pick up the products in random and I'll have the details of the products here. If you want to have your purchase, like if you want to buy any of the products, just go down in the link below in the description box. I'll do that for you guys. Thank me later. Okay, so the first product is this BB cream from NY Bay with SPF 20. So actually, I was pretty much into BB cream when I was a beginner makeup में, but then I switched to foundation क्योंकि मेरे को ज़्यादा coverage चाहिए था और BB cream of course they don't provide you much coverage. But then उसके बाद now that I am trying some funky makeup looks like those makeup challenges, और अगर देखना है you should go to my Instagram and follow me there and stay tuned for more such content. Free का promotion. Okay, so of course अपनी promotion कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, me being dumb. This is the BB cream, and if you want you can buy this. It's a really good product. Yeah. Now the next product is like really one of my favorite products among my purchase. It's the Good Vibes Juniper Berry Balancing Face Mist, and if you are looking for one, like we know that you can use a mist as an alternative for a toner. If you're looking for one, you can surely get your hands on this cause it just hydrates your skin, just awakens your skin, and you कहाँ आ गए हो? Yeah, it's a really good product guys. Good product. Okay, I know I'm really bad at this, but let me know how bad I am. Rate. Okay, rate it 1 से 10 तक, 1 to 10 तक. Okay, so now the next product is the Good Vibes Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. I guess this was not that great. It was good. It is good, Zinda hai abhi tak. It is good. Now, मेरा favorite product, like अगर नहीं पता है तो you'll know, you'll know that I am this great lover of blush. Okay, blushes, like I have so much blushes, but then uske baad I can't just stop myself from buying another one. So here is this blusher stick from Swiss Beauty. So yeah, this is really good you guys, and sorry. See? Okay. It's in the shade 6 or 9. जो भी है, अगर you want to buy this, you can get it. Okay, this also comes with this applicator, but you need to have your own applicator because this doesn't work that good, and this already hurts. Like this hurts while you're blending, so get your own brush, girl. थक गए हो. Yeah, so the next product is this Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo. A basic product, like a essential. An essential. इससे पहले grammar Nazi start coming at me. Yeah. So now let's head on to a primer. This is the Purple True Wear 24 Karat Gold Primer. and I know I'm like 100% sure that you can't see, but this does have these tiny gold particles under me, which are really in this limited amount, and I don't know what's the use, but they do have these. I mean this. So yeah, and this is really a good primer, you guys. I mean, this mattifies your skin, it does fill your pores like really in a beautiful manner. So if you want, get it. Now the next product is the Color Bar On The Go Makeup Remover Wipes. इसका tragedy हो गया कि आधा ख़त्म भी हो चुका है. Actually, when I was ordering it, it was really cheap, okay, and I got overexcited. But then when I ordered it, I actually ordered 2 of them, one for my sister and one for myself. But then उसके बाद जब I received it, उसके बाद I noticed कि I was actually ordering a travel size wipes. So then reality में आके बाद I did regret my choice, cause I really don't use Color Bar का wipes. I mainly rely on Himalaya का or maybe Johnson's का, but anyways. Now this is a product like NY Base Skin Fident Glowing as Broadway Queen Face Serum. Now honestly speaking, I have an average liking for this product because it's just I really don't like how it blends and it makes my face really oily. Okay, इतना oily नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, but yeah, I'm not at all in love with this product. Okay? I do like you though. Now the next tragedy of my life is this Alps Goodness Swiss Love Rose Hydrating Face Mask. पहली बात तो see this picture. Now see this. अगर you're ordering this, then make sure that you're gonna get this, because the picture is quite misleading. Okay, size के matter पे. And then when I received this was okay like this. Okay, एक तरफ से it was पूरा खाली, और I know I am being like someone like a old school or a कंजूस person, but if I'm paying, at least give me certain amount of product. No hate for anyone, but I am really disappointed. Now the next product is, okay, it's a gift actually. This is the Good Vibes Avocado Smoothing Hair Conditioner Travel Size. That's something I shouldn't show. Of course, you'll get your gift if you get your purchase. Yeah, so that was it for today's video, you guys. I know it was like a chotu sa video, but I thought कि maybe to change the ambience of my channel कि बहुत सारे challenges and all हो गया था, तो थोड़ा सा sit and chit chat वाला. Just let me know if you want such chit chat videos. I'll surely love to make them for you. And secondly, I'm really overwhelmed with all the love and support you guys have been showing me since the day one. It's been a month since I'm on YouTube, and we are already a family of 150 subs, and my first video is about to hit 1k views, second video is about to hit 900k views. I know it's like for a small YouTuber, it does mean a lot. Or like it was my dream to be a YouTuber since I was 10 or 12, I guess. I used to make videos and watch it all by my own. Then uske baad I never thought that I would be able to let people see my videos, people see my work and tolerate my bakwas chit chat. But now since I'm doing this and I'm getting so much love from you people, I feel really overwhelmed and grateful, and I promise I will keep you entertaining till my last day here on this platform. I guess that doesn't approach soon because I'm really loving it. Yeah, so just thank you so much. बस ऐसे प्यार दिखाते रहो, इस वीडियो पे भी प्यार दिखा दो. Like whatever you want to do, you show your love, like, comment, subscribe, share, and of course click the bell icon. That's for your good cause. You'll get notified when I post something new. And if you want to see more such videos, you can surely stick around. I promise I won't let you down. Yeah. See ya.